golden tall walls of time towering above life, loud flimsy fences, pale cedar planks, pedestrian crossings, pelican crossings, bridges, skies above. How many? Should we ask J. Alfred Prufrock? 6 feet tall at Chase Farm, the guard outside scanning tags. Should we ask locks and chains, weak veins and cold fingers? December mornings, hard back tables, rocking cradles, or his lonely wife every night? Should we ask the lonely swing with rusted chain? Some ship at sea, abandoned at last, intimate with the moon? Should we ask the lonely traveler with a Hi.Vis smile in the cathedral aisle? What is his sin? The ghostless wind? Should we ask the lost child with silver tears and beckon her closer? Where's your daddy, you funny little thing? And will she point to the broken window with smooth glass? Should we ask why an abandoned home finds a reason to remain standing? And the metal gate with 5 bars, never varnished, that stands in spite of itself, guarding the old ruins. Widowed, war-ravaged Aeon, mother of 2, the darkened night deity, riddled with arrows. Who should we ask? The gods? They are too numb to even cry. It is life the mouse and time traps it. And it keeps coming back until you snap it. So they meet the devil, rocking steady. But when the curtain falls, even death isn't ready.